Something happened with the connection. Please, one moment.
Okay. So first of all, I offer my respectful obeisances to my Gurupada Guru Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satsumali Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavananda Maharaj and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satsumali Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavananda Maharaj. Simultaneously, I respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satsumali Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Srila Bhaktivedanta Bharati Goswami disturbance ज़्यादा हो रहा है. So today is auspicious day. Today is the Mahotsav and also today Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj Krishna and also Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Bhakti Pradhan Kesava Goswami Maharaj. They also first I just to explain about the Sarup Tattva and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the supreme personality of Godhead, Saint Bhagavan, and Lord when descended from Guru Vrinda, he comes with his own Parikar associates. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Pari Saparshada Siyadham Saha Avotari. And Diamond Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he descended from Guru Vrindavan with his dham and with his own Parikar associates. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is accomplished Leela in Navadvip Dham. Before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared in Navadvip Dham, he also sent all his Parikar, his mother, father, and everyone. So first also the Jagannath Mishra and Sachi Devi. They are descendants from Nanda and Nanda.
Haribol, did you listen my voice?
Now we can hear you, Gurudev.
Okay, so Nanda and Jasoda, they appear in Mahaprabhu's Leela, that is called then Jagannath Mishra and Sachi Devi. So before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai and his elder brother Vishwarup then appear. Vishwarup, he also learned all the Shastra from the toll of Advaita Acharya. Toll means the teaching center of Advaita Acharya. Then, but sometimes when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was a small boy, then that time sometimes he used to come, the Advaita Acharya told, and with Viswarup. And sometimes Advaita Acharya just is surprised taking darshan to baby Nimai. That time Nimai, he also indicates, Advaita, do you know who am I? And one day you will know who am I. And so in this way, Advaita Acharya and Nimai, and just in their hints, they also talk to each other. And so Viswarup, he learned all Shastra from Advaita Acharya. Then Advaita Acharya, then Viswarup, he realized what is the essence of our life. Let it go there, you know. Yeah? Then Advaita, so Viswarup, Viswarup, he realized that what is the essence of our life. The essence of life to the Krishna bhajan. Because Shastra also explain bhakti manifested one's heart. This is the symptom. That is called Vasudeva Parabhakti. And if the Parabhakti, the highest bhakti manifested one's heart, that the two symptoms of it, Gyan and Vairagya. Gyan and Vairagya jat ahitukam. Gyan means that you get transcendental knowledge. Then there here Prabhupada also explains, first there is three types of knowledge. Tat Padartha Gyan, Tam Padartha Gyan, Jiva Brahma, Aikya Gyan. Tat Padartha Gyan, the knowledge about Lord, that is your Tat Padartha Gyan. Tam Padartha Gyan, the knowledge about soul, Atma. A Jiva Brahma, Aikya Gyan, oneness with Brahma. That is called the philosophy of Advaitavadis, and that is called Jiva Brahma Aikya Gyan. Especially Mayavadis and or Shankar philosophers, they are explained Jiv and Brahma. And so sadhaks should be remove these types of philosophy, Jiva Brahma Aikya Gyan. But other two Gyans you have to know. That is called Tadartha Gyan and Tam Padartha Gyan. And so Viswarup, when he learned all these Shastra from Advaita Acharya, then he realized what is the meaning, what is the essence of our life. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence, Labdha Sudurlamidam Bahusambhavante, Manusam Arthadam Anitam Apyadhiro, Purnam Jatidna Puted, Umittum Javat, Nisasa Visakolu, Sarvato Sat. Labdha Sudurlamidam, Idam meaning this body. Labdha Sudurlamidam Bahusambhavante. That means we receive this body after millions birth and death. And so Labdha Bahusambhavante, Nusam Arthadam. And the essence of human life, that is called Patum Bhajan Sadhan to Lord. And so say Labdha Bahusambhavante, Manusartham. And everything in this material world, that is called Anitya. Anitya means that is called temporary. And all this material world, all these things also always giving good distress and unhappiness. So Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Nam, that is called only the essence of love, essence of Shastra. So Labdha Sudurlabhidam Bhusamade Manusam Arsan Anitadivam Turnam Jatana Patayed Unmit Punjav. Nisrasa Visaya Kholu Sarvato Sat. And everybody will be get all kinds of the sense gratification according to their previous fruit of action, karma fall. Yeah. But Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Nam, and get association with sadhu. This is very, very rare. সাধু সঙ্গ সর্বশাস্ত্রে কয় লবমাত্র সাধু সঙ্গ সর্বসিদ্ধি হয়। So sadhu sangha, the association of sadhu, this is very, very rare. And so when Vishwarup had learned all the Shastra, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, and everything, then he realized, then if I will not do bhajan and sadhana Krishna, then my life will be successful. And especially in our Shastra also explain the ashram dharma, brahmachari, grihastha, vanprastha, sannyas, sannyasam sirasi mamu. And our Shastra also explains sannyas dharma, that is called the topmost. Krishna says, sannyas dharma, that is called my as like and head, sannyasam sirasi mama. So for this regard, Vishwarup, he also left his house and he took sannyas, and then his sannyas name was Shankararan. And then Sachimata, he felt pang of separation from his son Vishwarupa. Then actually here Jogma arranged in Mahaprabhu's and that is called Krishna. Where is Krishna? Baladev Prabhu. And that is called Nityananda Prabhu. He is none different from Baladev Prabhu. And now Nityananda Prabhu, Leela is coming for this regard, Jogmaya. Arrange these things, how Vishwarup will have to departure from his house. And for this regard, Jogmaya arranged this Leela. And because also Vishwarup he is called the what is called Prakash of Nityananda Prabhu or Baladev Prabhu. For this regard, Jogmaya arranged this way. So Nityananda Prabhu left his house and Sachimata and Jagannath Mishra, they felt pang of separation from Vishwarup. Then just Sachimata in his mind, she was thinking, then Advaita Acharya is the cause of the sannyas of my son Vishwarup. And for this regard, in his mind, just he was thinking, he is not Advaita, and he is not non-dual. He is dual. Meaning, I did, and our family, and later Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, yeah, I will not give mercy to my mother, because my mother, he committed offenses to the spirit of Advaita Acharya. Then everybody also request to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, yeah, how possible Advaita Acharya, your mother Sachit Devi, she will committed offense to the spirit of Advaita Acharya. Then Mahaprabhu told these things. Then Sachimata, she also asked her forgiveness from Advaita Acharya. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave mercy to Sachimata. This thing also has described in Chaitanya Bhagavat. And this Leela also. Now, coming this way, when Advaita Acharya, when Vishwarup left his house, then Jagannath Mishra, he felt so much separation from his son Vishwarup. Then after few days, Jagannath Mishra, he left his body. He departed from this material world. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai, he also pacified to Vishwarup. This Leela also explained. Vishwarup is very beautiful and attractive. Even our Shastra also explains Chaitanya Bhagavat. Once one Taitik Vipra, he came in the house of Sachimata, and Sachimata, she also served to that Brahmana. The Brahman told, I am Brahman, I am and cooking with my own hand. And then also Sachimata, she arranged for the Brahmanas different of raw materials. And then Nimai 1 and 2 times also and took that the prasad. I am not going to details. And then Viswarup, if that Brahman he told, oh now midnight I cannot cook. That time Viswarup he came, and Viswarup also specified that the Brahmana. And when Brahman he saw Viswarup very nice beautiful form, and then the Brahmana's heart melted, and he also cooked midnight and offered Thakurji again. Then baby Nimai, and he also ate his offering. And Nimai he also told the Brahmana, why did you disturb these things? You are chanting my mantra. I am eating your offering. More mantra jobi tumi mure karo avhan. And you are chanting my mantra, Gopal mantra. So I am coming and taking your prasad, your offering. In this way, very nice, beautiful lila is there. And so Viswarup, he took sannyas, and then many years passed when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas. He came in Jagannath Puri. Then Mahaprabhu just pretended, I am going to travel South India to search my brother Viswarup. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met with different devotees, and Ramananda and also Prabodhananda Saraswati, Venkat Bhatta, Timurla Bhatta, and in this way Bhatta Parivar, then Mahaprabhu traveled South India. Then Mahaprabhu finally he came in, that is called Bhima, on the bank of Bhima Nadi, river of Bhima. Then he heard the his brother Viswarup, he also took sannyas, and his name was Sankararana, and just few months before he departed from this material world. When Mahaprabhu heard this, his elder brother Viswarup departed from this material world, and then Mahaprabhu became very upset. Then according to the Lok Lila, and then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also saved his head. And for this regard, in our Gaudiya Sampradaya, and though we are performing Chaturmasya Vrat, 4 months have to follow the some rules. No hair cutting, no shaving, nothing. But today, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also saved his head, and for the remembrance of his brother Viswarup. For this regard, we also saving this. And so for this regard, today is called also Viswarup Gaura Mahotsav, or Viswarup Gaura Mahotsav. Gaura means saving. And for the purpose of Viswarup, and we also remember this Leela, and we saving and neat and clean. This. So this is called Viswarup. And today also very super auspicious day. Just I also told today Nitya Prishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Bhakti Pragyan Kesav Goswami Maharaj, he also took sannyas, and from Nitya Prishtam Vishnupad Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Goswami Maharaj. And but Bhakti Pragyan Kesav Goswami Maharaj, he also took he also performed his sannyas lila in Katua, where Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he took sannyas in there, and all his God brothers, most of his God brothers present in there, and he also took sannyas in there. So today the auspicious day, Bhaktivedanta Keshav Goswami's sannyas divas, and simultaneously also Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sadhya Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj today. Also he took sannyas in our Keshavji Gaudiya Math in Mathura. Because Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, his life history is beautiful and also mysterious. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada told him, you have to go Western country and preach. But he was very humble. He was thinking, I am not qualified. How possible I preach in Western country? But after 40 years, then he was thinking, oh, my Gurudev gave me order. I have to preach in Western country. But Krishna is arranged everything. And Krishna, without Krishna desires, no one can perform anything. In our Bengali or Hindi words, Krishna ichha bina phal dhari varinam nari. Without Krishna desires, you cannot get any fruits also. Even the one small leaves of the tree cannot also move without Krishna's desires. Then, so when all his business, everything he also failed, and even his Allahabad Bengal chemical factory failed. Then he also came in Mathura and he rented one house on the bank of Jabuna, that is called the Bengali Ghat, and where Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took bath. For this regard, that place is called Bengali Ghat. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was saying, Mahaprabhu was taking bath in that place. And the same place, and Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, that name Abhay Babu, Abhay Charan De, he also rented one house. But very difficult for him to maintain the rent of the house. So one day Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj in morning walk met with him and also asked about all these things. That time Srila Gurudev told, Dear Prabhu, why you are staying here? Come in our temple and stay with us. But Srila Sai Maharaj, he told, how possible I will stay in temple? Madhajivan Vas. And I am old age, so I don't want to stay in old age in the temple. But Srila Gurudev is very humble. Gurudev told, don't worry, just to stay in our temple and you edit my Hindi Bhagavat Patrika. And whatever we need, I will arrange everything for you. Don't worry. But still he does not want to come in our temple. Then next day, Srila Gurudev had one rickshaw and took all his luggage and also brought him in our Keshavji Gaudiya Math. Still I am sitting. This room, actually, he was staying in there. And this is his actual real bhajan footage. And he also edited in the Bhagavad Patrika. Then after a few months, Nitya Vishnupada Bhakti Pradhan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he came in Mathura. That time, Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj and forced him, Prabhu, you have to take sannyas. We are young, we took sannyas, but why did you not take sannyas? You have to take sannyas. That time, Srila Abhay Babu, he told, how possible I will take sannyas? I cannot take sannyas. If I will take sannyas, I have to praise daily thing. That time he did not want to take sannyas. Srila Gurudev, Narayana Goswami forced him. No, this is the best opportunity. You have to take sannyas. And then finally, he also took sannyas mantra from Keshav Goswami Maharaj, and then Gurudev Sri Narayan Goswami Maharaj himself and also arranged all his sannyas paraphernalia, his danda and Sai Maharaj danda, and also arranged the Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and also his door, coffin, and Bahirbas, everything. Even Gurudev Sri Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he also performed his fire sannyas, fire sacrifice. That is called sannyas yajna, everything he also did. And then after his sannyas name, and they Sri Param Guru Maharaj gave his sannyas name, and Siddhandi Swami Sri Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. And so today is very super excellent auspicious day, and he took sannyas this place in our Vishwanath Mandir here. And actually this is called also and perfect Jaggasthali also. And this is a very, very memorable place also. And after sannyas, then he also in Jhansi to preach, and our Sesai Prabhu, Ranganath Prabhu, and other Prabhu also and help to his preaching in there, but his preaching is not successful. Then he again returned back in Mathura, and then he went to Vrindavan in Radha Damodar temple. And in our Keshavji Gaudiya also he worshipped his very nice, beautiful Vigraha of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In our Keshavji Gaudiya Math, and that Vigraha that is worshipped by Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, and that Vigraha is not the stone. That Vigraha also in that is called the wood, neem wood, and very big Vigraha. So our Shastras explain if any Mahabhagavata worship that the Vigraha, that is very super excellent auspicious also. So in our Keshavji Gaudiya Math, and so Swami Maharaj Pujita Vigraha, Swami Maharaj worship, this dead is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in here. So everybody had to take darshan that Vigraha and with worship by Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. I know many years, and all the ISKCON GVC members, and they used to come here, and they also perform very nice, beautiful arranged Harikatha, and especially today, and Vishwarup Gaura Mahotsav, and the Swami Maharaj Sannyas Divas, they also celebrated here. And as like Tamal Krishna Maharaj, Giriraj Maharaj, and Satsarup Maharaj, and all they used to come here and also celebrate the Maharaj Sannyas Divas in here. So I again and again pay my obeisances to the feet of Sai Maharaj. Maybe one day we will receive his drop of mercy or sorrow of mercy. Then I will enter in my deep bhajan and sadhana. And especially this room is staying. In this room also many Mahabhagavats are staying. Our Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, and also many sannyasis. In our also some sannyasis, Padmanabh Maharaj, that Padmanabh Maharaj, who is the disciple of Bhaktivedanta Keshav Goswami Maharaj, but he took sannyas from our Gurudev, Mithila Vishnu Pada Bhaktivedanta Sri Vaman Goswami Maharaj. He also staying in this room. So when I do bhajan and sadhana, and in this room I am remembering all our previous acharya, how the great Mahan Uttam Bhagavat to perform this bhajan and sadhana. Just a feeling. When you chanting holy names, Panchina's heart is over there. Because our Shastra saying when Uttam Bhagavat perform bhajan and sadhana, that place is called also Mahatirtha. eh? Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavata, Tirtha Swami Prabhu, and Tirtha Tirtha Kulpanti Tirthani, Santa Stena, Gadabhrita. Gadabhrita means is one. And Krishna's brother, one and is God. So Gadabhrita, that means Krishna. And those who are devotees of Lord Krishna stay in that place also, but Maha Tirtha. So this place is also Maha Tirtha. And I realize also when I chanting holy names in this room, and so much feeling coming automatically, spontaneous. So today is very special and auspicious day. Again and again, pay my obeisances unto the feet of Nityalila Aparishtam Vishnupada Asutarasana Bhakti, Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all his also Parikar. Good Premanande. Actually now is 5 o'clock. And today is short class in hall. And we got today supervision of Sri Shri Swarup Maha Mahotsav. And we also morning to evening we also discuss and this Sai Maharaj Katha. And so I will not take too much of your time. If you have any question, you can ask 2 minutes because now my next class, Hindi class, I have to go. And go Premanande. Have you any question? You can ask. Yes, it's go Premanande. Haribol.
Nanda Pranam, Gurudev. Thank you. Is there someone with a question?
And chant holy names through bhajan and sadhan. Step by step, develop your bhajan and sadhan. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explain what is the perfect and our bhajan pranali, that is called Pranadavi Suni Cheno, Taruriva Shristuna, Amanina Manodeno, Kirtaniya Sadahari. And Rupa Goswami Pad also explained Saddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Priya, Anarthamiti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, and Prem. This is the process. This is called perfect Siddha Pranali. Don't go Babaji's line. Siddha Pranali means Babaji's line. If you go, then one day and they will give you Siddha Deha Parichaya. In Anartha Dasa, and you cannot digest your own constitutional control form. Then you have to fall down. For this regard, in our Gaudiya Sampradaya, especially in the line of Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, Bhakti Pragan Kesava Bhakti Sai Maharaj, they not allow about these Babajis, the Siddha Pranali. And so you have to do bhajan and sadhan, first how to remove all kinds of anartha. And Padya Bhakti Vinod Thakur wrote this verse, Adhikar Nalobhiya Siddha Deha Bhave, Viparjaya Buddhitar Saktir Abhave. And if you not qualified to bhajan and sadhan and not to remove all your anarthas, and very difficult. And then last anger will be increase in your heart. Then you will fall down. Then your spiritual life, material life will be completely destroyed. And so I request all to devotees and step by step do bhajan and sadhan, and don't jump. How to develop your vision, Adu Saddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthamiti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, and Bhav and Praise. This is the process actually. Many also our Gurudev disciple, they gave Gurudev and they went to Babaji Sampradayas. Then later we see they also gave up everything, and then they're completely atheist or completely materialistic. So I request you step by step do bhajan and sadhan and chant holy names, and also how to develop your chanting holy names and remove all your anarthas step by step. One day you cannot become Uttam Bhagavad. So this is the process also. So I request you to bhajan and sadhan, but one day you have to take sannyas. But when you take sannyas, Krishna knows, and Krishna will arrange for you. Eh? And so one day Gurudev, without taking sannyas, he would not attain to Krishna highest plane, because sannyas mantra is Gopi mantra. But you have to first acquire your qualification, adhikar. So for the adhikar, na lobya siddha deva bhavi, viparjaya buddhitar shakti abhavi. And if you not acquire your qualification are just your imaginary to meditate your siddha deha, then you will fall down. So don't jump anything. So guys, be very step by step and do bhajan and sadhan. And first you come in Podisamritam, Vacha Begam, Manasa Kruda Begam, Jiha Begam, Udar Upasta Begam, Etan Begam, Jo Vishate Dhira, Sarvam Pimam, Pradiving Sasisat. This is the process also, step by step. And give up the association of Asat Sangha tag. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and also told Asat Sangha tag. Give up the bad association. Asat Sangha tag, a sadhur vyavahar, the good behavior of sadhu, and how to give up the Asat Sangha tag. And do bhajan and sadhan, then your life will be successful. Good Premanande, Jai Jai Sri Ram. Okay.